Hill County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Northern County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, east central Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Leckville to near New Buffalo to Sheriffville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations include Harrisburg, Lower Allen, Bobsville, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, Harrisburg, Camp Hill, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Wendellville, Enola, Steelton, Schuylkill Haven, Lemoyne, Allentown, Millersville, Paxtonia, and Rutherford. This includes the following interstates. Potential significance between mile markers 234 and 238. Interstate 78 from mile markers 38. Interstate 81 from mile markers 53 to 115. Interstate 83 from mile markers 41 to 50. Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. For your protection, move to an interior on the north floor of a building. Repeating, severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Pennsylvania, Lebanon, and Schuylkill.